Hello everyone, this is Philip from pantechelearning and I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with pantechelearning anytime, anywhere and any places. We are always supporting to the students in a technical way. What is our main vision? We are going to help 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy way. And I welcome you all to today's session of Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. Today, we are going to discussing about one of the interesting topic that is text extraction by OCR. OCR is nothing but it is the one of the tool to extracting the text from the image. Okay, right. So today we are going to discussing about one of the interesting topic that is text extraction by using the OCR. So what is technology we are going to use here in this sense? We are going to use the two different technologies. That is first one, deep learning technology as well as the computer vision technology. Most probably, main important technology that is computer vision technology. Why? Because we are going to use the digital images that will be extracting the text from the digital images. Here we need that computer vision technology that will be help to processing on that particular image and extracting the pattern of the text. Then it will be returning the text from the image. Okay, so what is the meaning of OCR actually? So OCR is nothing but one of the tool which is built with the help of the LSTM. It is based on the recurrent neural network. Okay, that is also one of the deep learning neural network algorithm. So most probably OCR is built with the help of the deep learning neural network, that is RNN based LSTM. Okay, right. So without delay, so what are the table contents we are going to discuss today itself in this sense? The first one, introduction and objective of this particular project, and what is the meaning of OCR, and what's the working principle for this particular technology. Okay, right. So without delay, I'm going to discussing about the introduction of the text extractions. So normally we are going to use this particular technology in artificial intelligence. We are using day by day, right? So for example, once you are going to use the Google Lens, so these are the things will be returning the text from the image. That can be possible because of the Google invented like this. So in this particular technology, so what is the main objective? So we are going to extracting the text from the digital image. That can be possible with the help of OCR techniques. So that is built with the deep learning neural network. Most probably, the Python automatically extract the text from the digital images. Okay, so Python can do amazing things in the image. How it can be possible? So with the help of the computer vision technology, we can do all the things based on the digital images or on the digital videos. So that will be returning the some amazing things for the human, some amazing things for the advanced technology. So that is why the computer vision will returning the many more interesting things to you. Okay, right. In this Python particular, project, we will learn how to extracting the text from the image by using the computer vision as well as the OCR. Okay, so normally how extracting the text content from the images by using the OpenCV and also the Tesseract. So now let us see how we can create this particular task, how we can create this particular, the product that means, for example, extracting the text from the image. Okay, right. So without delay, so what is actually Tesseract? So what is actually Tesseract? So Tesseract is one of the tool. So that is OCR, technique. So it is the open source engine for the optical character recognition. So optical character recognition in the sense it is nothing but the OCR. So it is efficiently reading the text from the image and extracting the text from the image. It is very easy to use. Okay, right. So OCR is the techniques to read and grabbing the text from the printed images or scan the photos or handwritten images that we can convert it then into the digital, format that can be editable. For example, when you are going to use this, one particular digital images, that particular image is fully content in this, that can be possible to extracting the text from the image. So the digital format that can be editable and searchable. So as I mentioned before, it is the open source. It is free to use. You can download it from the internet and it will be used to that. Okay, so normally the OCR is one of the tool to extracting the text. So what is the meaning of the pantechelearning? What is the meaning of the tesseract? Pantechelearning is nothing but one of the package to extracting the or returning the text from the image. What about the tesseract? Tesseract is the one of the tool. What tesseract is the one of the tool to extracting the text. That means digital images is converted into the text. How it can be possible? Because of the behind the tesseract, that particular tool built with the help of the LSTM based on the RNN algorithm. So that means RNN in the sense recurrent neural network. Here we are going to use directly that particular tool to extracting the text from the image. Okay, right. What is the applications of the OCR? So OCR has a plenty applications in today's business. A few of them are listed below here. So for example, passport recognition in airports. So that can be possible to recognize the text from the, like that particular passport. And automations of the data entry and license plate detection or license plate recognition that can be possible for the, traffic things, traffic surveillance, right? So traffic surveillance, it will be helped to recognize, for example, when the person is moving to exceeding the speed limit, in the sense the license plate recognition will recognize that particular person based on the, number plate numbers. Again, right. After that, extracting the business card information into the contact list and converting the handwritten document into the electronic images that can be possible. Nowadays, it is very needed because of all the things is now digitalized. So, when the document is, like we having a hardware document or raw document, so that is not needed now. It is all the things is digitalized. These particular technology will help to converting all the digitalized to the normal paper into the digitalized format and creating the searchable video. And the next thing, creating the audible file that means text into the audio format. Okay, right. What's the prerequisite for this particular, developing this particular task? That means to implement this project should have the basic knowledge about the Python. So already we knew this, right? And Tesseract and OpenCV, Tkinter. So here the Tesseract is nothing but the tool to extracting the features from the image or extracting the text from the image. And what is the Python? So Python is the basic platform to building the code. And OpenCV will help the processing on the image. So that is nothing but the computer vision technology. And Tkinter is nothing but the graphical user interface. So it is directly connected to the user. Okay, right. So this is the prerequisite for this particular project. And what is the explanation about this? What we are going to do here? What we are going to do here? I will tell you the procedure. After that, we are going to enter in the coding explanation. Okay, right. So first, import the necessary libraries. That is very important. Import the necessary libraries. That OpenCV for the processing on the image, and Tkinter, that is for the graphical user interface. And what is the next? Tesseract. So PyTesseract is the one of the important package to returning the image into the string. And that's it. Okay, that's it. Very enough. So this is the import library and providing the location of the Tesseract exe file. So I will tell you once I'm going to enter to the coding explanation. That time I will explain about this particular file. So we have to install. Once it is installed in the sense, it will be help to extracting the text from the image. Otherwise, it will not. So you have to install this particular exe file to your system. And what about that next? So Tkinter provide, that is the GUI functionalities. So open the image dialog box to user can uploading the image. So in this particular, particular graphical user interface, it having one particular button. Once you click that, in the sense, it will be directly go to that particular location to selecting the image to, converting the text. Okay, so that is, Tkinter action. And after that, read and resizing the image. That is nothing but the pre-processing of the image. Because once you are going to processing on the image, we need to pre-processing all the things of this image. After that, only it can be possible to convert the text. Because normally the computer vision is the main thing is we need to finding the object in that particular image or pattern in that particular image. Then only it will be help to returning the a particular object in this image. So that is the reason. the image processing or OpenCV, first it is going to pre-process. That means pre-process in the sense what majorly we are going to converting the, resizing the image, rescaling the image, or what is that, color conversion of the image. So some of the things, so image smoother of the image, this all the process will be there once you are going to enter the computer vision. That time you can understand. I will explain about the next session of that, computer vision session. Okay, right. So normally the read the image and resizing the image for, record resize. Then tesseract expecting the, actually one thing we have to understand. Normally once you are going to install the tesseract, actually tesseract tool expecting the RGB. Okay, but we are loading the image in the format of the PGR channel. So we need to convert PGR into RPG or GB. Oh, that means what in the sense? So OpenCV is normally, loading the images as the format of the PGR. Okay, so what about the Tesseract? Tesseract is actually expecting RGB. So we need to convert PGR into RGB. PGR into RGB. So then only it can be possible to converting the image to the text. Because if the tool is expecting the RGB, so that's why we need to convert the PGR into RGB. After pre-processing, the Tesseract, which is return the string with the help of the one certain function from the pantechelearning package. So that particular package will giving the one function image into the text or image into the data, whatever it is. So that particular function will returning the image into the text. So normally the pantechelearning package will returning that particular function. After that, printing the whole string for the better understanding of the user. So what we are going to do actually, the first thing, import the library. Then we are going to, providing the locations of the Tesseract exe file. So what about the next thing? We are going to initialize the tkinter, that is, function. It is helpful for opening the image dialog box. So user can upload the image to that. So once you are clicking that particular button, it will be going to that particular access of the image location. Then we are going to select that particular image to converting the text. Then we are going to reading the image and resizing the image. After that, we need to converting the PGR into the RPG. Why? Because of the Tesseract tool expecting the RGB, but OpenCV is, loading the images in the channel of the PGR. So that's why we are going to convert RGB. Okay. Then after pre-processing the Tesseract, so which is returning the string function. That particular function we are getting from the pantechelearning package. The package is a different, tool is a different. So we need tool as well as the package also. Then we need to print all the strings which is written, so for the user to understand. Okay, right. So that is the explanation about this. Okay, right. So without delay, I'm going to explain about that particular thing. First, initially, I have to open that particular folder. Then only you can understand what are the files we need exactly. In the sense, here we need this particular, exe file. So Tesseract OCR tool setup we need. Okay, setup we need. I will share the link to you. You can also download it. Otherwise, I will share the, this particular exe file to you. That will be help to, for the internship user. Otherwise, we are providing the internship user for this particular exe file. Otherwise, I will share the link to you. The link is also here. This particular folder I will share to you. Okay, right. So this is the main file of that particular, building the, extracting the text from the image. So these are the testing images. Okay, these are the testing images. This tool is very necessary. Actually, yeah, just a minute, guys. I copy this. Okay, I copy this and open that particular browser. Just to open it and enter. Just a minute. Yeah, it is getting some error. Just a minute. Copy and paste here. Yes, it is getting some error. Okay. Yeah, the page will not open. I will share the link. You can download here. Okay, I will share the link. You can download here. Otherwise, the link is not working in the sense you can use that particular exe file in this particular folder. I will share to you. Okay, so this file is very necessary. This file is very necessary. Once you click this in the sense, it will be, I mean, follow the procedure next, it will be installed in your particular location. Where it's actually installed. That is very important, right? So I will show that. Once I open, ideally, open this particular main file. That is very important. Okay. Extracting the text from the image, and this is the file of the Python. Okay, right. So first we need to import the necessary libraries here. I am going to explaining about the, I mean, in this particular coding. The first we need to import the necessary libraries. That means tkinter is very necessary. So tkinter is very necessary for creating the graphical user interface. Then pin, so it is helpful for the, I mean, taking the image, processing on the image like that. And CV2, this is for the, I mean, completely for the computer vision. So which will be help to taking the image and loading the image and resizing the image and converting the color. Okay, these are the things it will be help to do that. And pytesseract, this is the main package to returning the string from the, I mean, digital image. Okay, right. So now we are going to call it as the pytesseract dot pytesseract, then tesseract cmd. So this is the function to load this particular, I mean, you have to provide that particular location of the tesseract tool. Okay, just you can, so this is the location of my system. Maybe that once you install this one in this, that will be a different location of your system. You can see here, I paste here, then enter. Just a minute. It's okay. That's okay. I will go to that asset and program files. Here the tesseract OCR will be there and the file will be there, like the exe file will be here. The exe file will be here. So this location is very necessary for the tool, file tesseract tool. So just copy, okay, copy this location and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. So you have to provide this particular location. Based on this tool, it will be returning the text from the image. So the like particular location is mentioned here. Now we are going to create that particular graphical user interface page. So root is equal to tk is the one of the function to creating that particular page. Then root dot title. So this is the title for the graphical user interface. Okay, right. So now the new line, the label is a root of that. Then upload image. So this is the one of the label of the root. Okay. Then scroll bar. That's the root. Then this is the side of that and the fill while. So now we are going to creating that one particular function to extract the text. So define extract. So we need to pass in the path because once you click this particular, just a minute, this particular label, okay, this particular label, it is going to accessing that particular path and selecting the image. So define extract to this. This is the parameter that is path. Now we are going to, actual image. So that is cv2.im read that particular path. Okay. So why we mention here path? We maybe that you can passing the file name of that particular image. No, here we are going to use the graphical user interface. So that is the reason here we are going to passing the path. So once you select this particular path in the sense, once you are running this that particular GUI will return one particular button. Once you are clicking that one, this is going to entering that particular location. So yeah. So now the sample image. So we are going to resizing the actual image. So this is the loaded image. Okay, this is the loaded image. Once you are going to selecting that particular image, it is going to resizing the particular shape that is 400 by 350. Okay, by 350. Then image height, image width, and image thickness. So this is the a variable, different variable for height, width, and thickness. The image sample dot shape. So shape of the image for height, width, and thickness. Then the sample image we are going to convert in the RGB, sorry, PGR into the RGB. Why? Because of the tool is expecting the RGB, but OpenCV is loading the image in the PGR format. So that is the reason we are going to convert PGR into the RGB. Now text is equal to py So this is the package in py dot image to data or image to string of the sample image. So once you're loading the image, that time the image will returning the text from the image with the help of py dot image to the data. Okay, then my text. Okay, then my text. So for CND content and the text in the text split lines. Okay, text split lines. Why? Because of we are going to iterating over the sequence of that. Then only it will be returning the text from the image. So you can see here. So if the content is equal to 0, you can continue. Okay, then text is equal to text start split off. Then the length of the text is equal to 12. You can, create the x coordinate and y coordinate and the width and height. So this is the text, for the x coordinate and y coordinate. Then if the length of my text is equal to 0, that is, y. Then it is less greater than or is equal to 0 and less than or in between these my text will be print. My text will be print. So label that root, then the text is equal to my text, then font will be the times, and this is a shape, this is a fold. Okay, the bold in the sense the text will be look like a bold. Okay, then we are going to show the extract button. Okay, show the extract button. This will be helpful for the graphical user interface. So label and root and text is equal to my text. Then this is the font. Okay, it's a font like times, and this is the size of the text, and this is the style, that is a bold. Okay, right. So now extract button is equal to button, then root, then text. That means extract the text. So the once you are going to, it having the different label. So once you are going to clicking the exact text in the sense, it will be returning the text from the digital image. Okay, right. So upload. So define upload. So path. So okay, path is equal to, now we are going to initializing the path value. Okay, we are going to store the value to the path variable. So file dialog dot ask to open the file name. That means it will be help to going to accessing that particular location of the input images. So image is equal to image dot open of that particular path. So this will be get it from the fill function. Okay, then the image tk dot photo image of that particular image. Then uploading the image dot configure this particular image, because of it is returning the and preparing the useful and correct input. So, okay, then uploaded dot image is equal to image, then show extract function for the path. Okay, then upload button, that button, then root of the tkinter, then text is equal to upload an image. Okay, this is the button to going to accessing that particular location. This button is will help to extracting the text from the image. It will be returning the text. Okay, then command is equal to upload. Command is equal to upload. Then this is the height and this is the width of that. Okay, now I'm going to run this particular function. Okay, you can see the output, then only you can understand about this. Okay, so it is going to opening that particular the graphical user interface. So now I'm going to click this. Okay, now I'm going to click this, and you can select the image. Okay, select the image. Yeah, it will display the image here. Then it is showing the another button. Once you displace this particular button and picture, then it is going to showing the another button that is extracting the text. Once I click this, it will returning the text. it will display the text, and this will be, returning here. You can see here. Now I'm copy and I can edit this. I can edit this. So this is nothing but extracting the text from the image. Extracting the text from the image. So once I open Notepad, just a minute. Now once I open Notepad, I can paste here and edit here. Like this, it can be possible because of it is digital images is converting into the text format. So you can see here. Okay. Yes, one more time I will run this. You can see the output for this. But initially it will be showing one particular button, that is upload an image, where it will be get actually. So where it will be get, you can see here. So upload button is equal to button, then root, the text, okay? So, and so this is the command to go into accessing that particular, what is that? Accessing that particular path to selecting the input image to converting the text. So you can see here. So this is the, command. This particular function, follow this procedure for this particular function inside. You are calling that particular, upload function. Then it is going to accessing that particular location. What about here? Here it is the extracting the path. Okay, here is the extracting the path. You can see here. This particular function is going to access. This particular function is going to access. Why? Because so once you are going to click extract text in the sense, it will be iterating over the sequence of that particular image. Then only it can be possible to return the text. So that's why we are going to follow this procedure to returning the text. Okay, right. So that's why we are going to looping over the sequence till looping over the sequence with the help of the for loop. Then depending on the is there content, it will be like zero. Is there any content in the sense the content will be displayed or noted displayed, and otherwise it is there is no content, it will be zero in the sense you should continue. Then we are going to splitting the text like this. Okay, so once show the extract button to the path, so it will be returning the this button. Okay, this button, after clicking this one, it will be extracting the text from the image. Okay, right. So without delay, I'm going to run this and you can see the output for this. I'm going to uploading the different image here, or same image I will be open, and it will be loaded the image. Once I click this, where is that actually? You can see here. Once I click this, it will be here. It will be here. Okay, right. So now I'm going to click extract text. It will be returning the content. It will be returning the text, and also it will be return in the ID edition. So now I'm going to copy and use this particular content that can be possible at any image, any digital images. Okay, one more time I will run this. I will use the different images. How it does it will be work, and upload the image and click this image, and it will be the content. It will be the content. Now I'm going to click this and it will be returning the content. And you can see here the content will be written. This is for the user best understanding. So that is the reason it will be displayed in the IDLE. Okay, right. And you can copy this and use this particular text. So this is the way you can upload any, digital images in the text in the sense you can convert it to the text. So that is nothing but the extracting the text from the image. Okay, this is the way you can, use this. Try it yourself, guys, actually. So I will share the code to you. Try it yourself. And if you got the output in the sense, just make the screenshot. Just make the screenshot and share to the our Facebook group, and it will be more helpful for you and me too. Okay, and here the OCR contributed very well. So that's why this exe file is very needed. This is a tool for extracting the features. Don't forget to install this one. And one more thing, the text. This function will return in the string from the digital images. Okay, so this is the main function to returning that. Actually, where is get it from? So this is the one of the package. Maybe that you have a question how to install this particular package. In the sense, just open command prompt. Okay, just open command prompt, click install. So this is the installation for the Tesseract package. This is the package. Don't confuse with tools and the Tesseract package. Okay, package is like a different and tool is a different. Okay, so by Tesseract, just a minute. Tesseract, just click this, it will be installed. Okay, actually I installed, so that is the reason it will be displayed requirement. I'll be satisfied. Okay, don't confuse with it. This is the package and this is the tool. This tool is very necessary. This tool is very necessary to converting the digital images into the text. Okay, so this particular function built with the LSTM algorithm. So that is working on the RNN algorithm. Okay, so RNN is basically for the text process. So maybe that it will be majorly helpful for the NLP as well. Okay, right. Hey, are you interested to learning about the artificial intelligence technology more? Are you interested in doing the internship on artificial intelligence technology? And this is the right time to do the artificial intelligence technology internship program. And this is a special opportunity only for the artificial intelligence masterclass participants. You can join as an internship user right now. So we are giving this special offer for you guys. So maybe you are asking the question to me about the quality. If I pay the money, what about the quality? For the quality assurance, I will assure you that because of the quality is very good. If you are paying the money, definitely you will be satisfied about this. Okay, so what is the benefit of this particular internship program? That is the most important thing, right? So that I will discuss with you. So in most commonly, you are expecting what are the concepts we are going to cover in this particular artificial intelligence internship program. So in this particular artificial intelligence internship program, we are going to cover all the artificial intelligence subset of technologies. For example, what is machine learning and what is the project, how to build a project in machine learning technology. What is NLP? How to build a project in NLP technology. What is the computer vision? How to build a project in computer vision and also with a deep learning. What is deep learning? How to build a project in deep learning technology. These all are the things I'm going to cover in this particular artificial intelligence internship program. You will be learn more about artificial intelligence technology and I'm going to cover all the concepts in artificial intelligence technology. Okay, so you who all are interested to joining this particular internship program in the sense enroll right now. The link is mentioned in the description and also the link is mentioned in the comment box. So what is the benefit? 30 days live session is accessible for the participant and also the internship user. And recorded videos is accessible for the 90 days only for the internship user. And you can receive the hands-on experience for the building and also the developing a AI project nearly the 10 plus projects you can receive, and you can receive the source code for that particular the project and also the reports and also the documentation for all the projects you can receive that. And 30 days of downloaded presentation you can receive that. If you are an internship user means you can receive 30 days of downloaded presentation, you can receive that. And every Saturday I will be available only for the internship user. That is the completely related to the question and answer session in Zoom platform. So we are going to conduct the hackathon classes only for the internship user. If you have any queries related to which you learned before, I will answer for your queries definitely. And I will be available every Saturday for the hackathon classes who are joining this particular internship program. So that is completely related to the doubt clarification session and also the question and answer session as well. And so I will be always available. I will be support you in queries as well. Okay. And also you can reach the confirmation letter, which is get it from pantechelearning, certificate, which is get it from pantechelearning. These all are the the important, these all are the benefit of the internship user. And also the major importance is we are going to cover machine learning technology, deep learning technology, NLP technology, computer vision technology, and how to build a project in these all are the technologies in artificial intelligence technology. So these all are the concepts I am going to cover in this artificial intelligence internship program. If you are interested,
to join immediately and enroll now immediately. So you are asking the question about the quality. Of course, the quality is very good for this much of money. Please, to join the internship, who all are interested to joining this artificial intelligence internship program, please enroll right now. Okay, please enroll right now. So how to enroll this? How to enroll this? Normally we charge nearly 2000 rupees. Normally we charge nearly 2000 rupees. But only for the the masterclass participants, we are giving nearly 800 rupees. So use the coupon code AIMC4. Use the coupon code AIMC4. The discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. The discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. So for this much of money, we are giving this much of content. So normally we spend the money for that packet money. So for the entertainment as well, for learning purpose, you can also spend this much of money as well. The link is mentioned in the description. The link is mentioned in the command box as well. Please enroll right now. Please enroll right now who all are interested to join the internship on artificial intelligence technology. Normally, we charge nearly 2000 rupees. For the masterclass participants, we are giving nearly 800 rupees. So use the coupon code AIMC4. The discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. So what are the process I am going to discuss with you? So how to create a model and how to create the training and also the evaluation, the various machine learning model and weight prediction based on the height and also the gender, sentiment analysis using the NLP, AI virtual assistant using the Python, and also the leaf disease detection using the deep learning, character recognition using the convolution neural network, fingerprint authentication, and also the number plate recognition, age and gender detection, brain tumor detection, face mask recognition, hand gesture detection, and emotion recognition through the facial expression. These all are the projects you can receive the hands-on experience in real time, and also you can learn more about this particular project, how to create a model and how to train a model. These all are the things. Okay, so please do join immediately. This is a special offer only for the artificial intelligence masterclass participant. Enroll now. The link is mentioned in the description and also the link is mentioned in the command box. Please enroll right now and use the coupon code AIMC4. AIMC4 and you can receive the discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. Enroll now and learn more about the artificial intelligence technology. Okay, right.
So that's it, guys. That's it. Yeah. So this is the way to extracting the text from the image. Hope you guys are understood about this particular concept. Hope you guys are understood about this particular project for OCR as well as the PyTesseract. What is the meaning of the PyTesseract and what is the package of the PyTesseract? These are the things. Maybe I hope you guys are understood about this. Okay, so this is the way to extracting the text from the image. Okay, so thank you so much. Explore your knowledge with us. Explore your knowledge with us. We are always here for you to support you in a technical way. Okay, explore your knowledge through the artificial intelligence or different technology. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll see you. We'll see you in the next day class with a different topic. Thank you so much. Bye bye.